Shopify Spring Editions 2026 just dropped, and there's over 150 new updates to Shopify. And there's no hiding it anymore. Shopify is clearly building an entire AI-powered shopping platform. And I'm not just talking about selling products on ChatGPT or using Sidekick to get insights about your store. I'm talking about pretty much everything that you touch inside of Shopify is now powered by AI. From the customer service to the marketing, even through to the way that your customers shop with you directly in your store. And the platform is changing so fast, the way that you use it now versus how you're going to use it in a few months' time is going to be completely unrecognizable. So I've spent the entire weekend going through every single one of these updates and handpicking the ones that you need to know right now that's going to have the biggest impact on your store. And the last one, that genuinely is going to change the way that you run your entire Shopify business. If we haven't met, my name is Brendan and I've launched and exited 13 e-commerce businesses, and I now teach people how to use AI to grow their Shopify stores. So if you want to keep up to date with everything that's happening in AI and Shopify, make sure you're subscribed. Let's jump into my store and I'll take you through the first update. Shopify Sidekick is the app that everyone knows about when it comes to AI in Shopify, and it has been given a major update in this release. It can now talk to your other Shopify apps. Originally, it just used to be inside Shopify and interrogate data inside of Shopify and do things inside of that, but it can now use some of your favorite apps. Let me show you what I mean. So what's going to happen here is it's going to connect into the Klaviyo app, and Shopify Sidekick is going to pull in the data and it's going to tell me exactly what it knows about my store here. Okay, I'm going to need to allow it. Can you tell me what my last 3 Klaviyo campaigns were? Now, I've already connected Klaviyo and Sidekick prior to this video, but if you need to do it, it's going to walk you through exactly how to do it. So you'll need to connect the integration. You can see that it's connecting in. Here are the last 3 campaigns. Amazing. And then from here, we can interrogate the data, we can get it to do things for us, etc., etc. The same way you would use Shopify Sidekick to do Shopify things, you can now use it to do Klaviyo things. But Klaviyo is not the only app. I know that Judge Me is an app. What are my last 3 Judge Me reviews? Same thing, it's going to go off now and jump into Judge Me and pull everything in. Now, this isn't applicable to all apps, but there's no doubt that every app in the future is going to be able to use this. This is an upgrade that Shopify have allowed for apps to talk directly into Sidekick. So with an update like this, you can start to see that everything is now going to exist inside Shopify. You're not going to need to jump in and out of apps to do this. And here are the 3 most recent reviews. So this is pretty cool. Make sure you play around and see what apps that you use and see whether or not they integrate here into Sidekick. If they don't, make sure you contact the app developer, and there's no doubt that they will make work in here. The cool thing about this update is we should be able to use Shopify and Flow and apps and make them all talk together in the future so that everything works within Sidekick and it's going to be like your little e-commerce assistant. The other cool update to Sidekick is that they now have an app on your Apple Watch. Now, I don't have an Apple Watch, so I'll just put the demo here on the screen, but this would be pretty cool. You can effectively talk to your watch a bit like James Bond and get it to give you insights and things on your store, which I think is pretty neat as well. But talking more about mobile, here is another thing that it does. So on a mobile device, if you open up your Shopify store, you can go through and you can go into your edit theme. And what's happening here is Sidekick is overlooking your theme and you're able to work with Sidekick to edit it. So on the bottom here, you can see you've got this section here, and I'm going to get it just to make a small change for me. Change the color of the announcement bar to yellow. And this will just operate exactly like a normal Sidekick theme editor, but you can do it on your phone. So it means no matter where you are, you can get Sidekick to edit your theme for you. And there you go. You can see that it's changed it to yellow. It doesn't look that great. So, obviously we'd play around with this a little bit later. But let's try something else, see if we can add something else in. Can you now add a countdown timer also to the announcement bar? Okay. It doesn't exist in there, so it's actually going to create it for us. How cool is that? Directly in your mobile phone, you can use Sidekick to edit your entire theme. So you can go on holiday, you can be in the Bahamas, you can be drinking cocktails by the pool, whatever you want, you can be editing your Shopify store. I don't think we're going to ever need a laptop soon. We can just be able to talk to Sidekick and do it for us. You could probably even use your Sidekick app on your watch in the future to do this. This is pretty nuts. Now, this next update, I'm actually surprised it didn't come sooner, because when most people think about AI, they think one of the best use cases is for customer service and chatbots. Yet Shopify never really nailed this. They had a great Sidekick chatbot, which was for you as the store owner, but they never really had a good chatbot for customers to come on. They had Shopify Inbox, but that was pretty much pretty average. So usually what we had to do was install a third-party app to do this for us, but it looks like Shopify is now releasing this. It's not released to everyone yet, so I'll show you how to enable it so it is, but it is coming. So if we head over to your Shopify store and we go into the free app inbox, when we click Shopify inbox here, what you're going to see here is that we've got this section here which is put an AI sales associate on your store. So that part there, we want to make sure you turn on the agent, and it's going to activate the agent when this has been released to you, okay? And what this is going to give you the ability to do is your customers can interact with your store and buy things directly via chat. They can't do that right now with Inbox. They can only do it with other apps. So make sure you have this one installed. It's going to be a free way for your customers to buy directly from you. This next update is proof that you should be subscribed to my channel, because I actually released this one a number of weeks ago and I taught everyone how to install it and set it up. It's called Shopify Agentic. And if you're not sure what it is, it's basically Shopify's way of sending products directly into AI chatbots. And I'm talking places like ChatGPT and Copilot and Gemini and Shop. Basically what Shopify has done is they've put some infrastructure in the background of their store that categorizes every single one of your products and then sends it into those chat LLMs. And that means that when someone is talking or asking AI about things and your product is relevant to them, it's going to surface your products and you can click it and you can buy it. Now, a number of my members implemented this a few weeks ago and they're already getting sales directly from ChatGPT directly into Shopify. And there's no doubt that more and more people are going to get familiar with shopping inside AI. So in order to do that, we want to install an app called Shopify Agentic, and then we want to go through and configure that app. Now, I'm not going to take you through that in this video. You can jump in and check this video out. And it's going to take you through exactly how to set up step-by-step Shopify Agentic so you can make sure your products are visible on AI. This next update came as a bit of a shock, and I wasn't expecting Shopify to even release something like this. And it's the ability to split test themes off against each other. It's called A/B testing. Now, most major software platforms already have this. Klaviyo has it, Facebook has it, Google has it, but Shopify never had it. And I just didn't think they ever would. So we've always paid for third-party apps, but we don't need to anymore because it's built directly into Shopify for free. So I'm going to show you how to use it. So to get to it, it's actually under Markets here, and it's called Rollouts. And the way it works is you create two versions of your theme. You have your live theme, which is up and running now, and then you have a secondary theme that you want to test. And the idea is that you make a change to the secondary theme, a small change, and then you pit that off against the live theme to see which one is performing better, okay? So I'll show you how to set that up. If we click Create Rollout, and we'll call this, we usually like to call it the name of the type of test. So I'll just call it demo for now, but let's just say you're changing the color of a button or moving something around. You would put the thing you're doing inside here. So demo moving around button on page, okay? So that would be the test we're making. And then we're gonna go here, we need to click the type of test we're doing. Now, the one we're gonna be doing is testing a theme, but you can also test your checkout and account pages, okay? So I'm going to do theme here. And then what basically we're doing here is this is the live theme that's here. And then what we want to do is we want to test it against a theme that we've made that specific change to. So if we've made a change to the button on the page, we would then call that theme, button on page change, and then we'd pit them off against each other. You can see I've got one running here at the moment, which is the rollout test, moved UGC below rows. Okay, so that's a test we're doing right now. I launched it a couple of hours ago. So I'm just going to grab another one as an example. So we'd probably have here test, and it would be called button move test. I'll just choose this for now. And then we can see that this is the live theme. This is the one it's testing against. And we can choose whether we want all visitors to get this new theme or we just want a percentage. Now, when I do split tests, I like to do 50-50. You can do it, whatever you want, but 50-50 means that, every visitor will get a different page, okay? 50-50 sort of split. Some will get the new page, some will get the existing page, okay? And then we want to say when we want to start it. So we're going to start it right now. I'll do launch immediately. And then we can have here that change will roll back to 0%, in a few days time. We can click that one there and we will click done. We'd click save and then we would enable it. Now, I don't want to enable this because it's not a real thing. So once that's up and running, we will now start to see in here different tests that you have. Now, I recommend only running 1 or 2 tests at a time so that you know which is changing. We wouldn't do 10, 20 tests unless they're for really specific things. So you can see I started this one, not very long ago. And when you click into here, what it's going to do is it's going to start giving you data around things that are working, okay? So clearly there's no data in here because it's so fresh, but over time, we're going to start to see, did this change increase conversion rates? Did it change average order value? Did it change the things that we wanted? And this is brand new to Shopify. And I think this is going to get better and better. And there's no doubt they're going to put AI into this and all those sorts of things. But this is going to allow you to increase your conversion rates right inside Shopify without needing a third-party app. This next update is my final update because it trumps everything. Once you install this update into your business, you're going to use Shopify differently than you ever have before. And it's called the Shopify AI toolkit. If you've been subscribed to this channel a little while, I have talked about this a few times. But if you haven't, be prepared for your mind to be blown. Now, Shopify AI toolkit allows your favorite AI LLM to talk directly into Shopify. I'm talking like using Claude to control your Shopify store for you. Let me give you a demo of what I mean. Now, I'm logged into Visual Studio Code, which is a free app that allows us to connect Claude directly into our Shopify store. Now, the reason we want to do that is we can have direct access to pretty much everything inside of Shopify and not be restricted by the admin. Let me give you a little demo of what we're doing here. I'll just let that run and I'll show you what that is in a second. But over on the right-hand side, here's a Claude session inside Visual Studio Code. And in here, we've got a whole heap of things which are called skills. And as you can see, the Shopify AI toolkit has released a whole heap of skills for us to use. And they're /Shopify. So we can do admin, we can do customer information, we can add functions. Liquid means we can create themes directly in here. We can do lots of stuff, right? There's so many stuff. I've got a full video about this, but there's so many things we can do in here. But that's the stuff that Shopify gives you. But what you can actually do is use the things that your brain gives you and what you'd like to do in your store, and you get Claude to do it for you. So over on the left-hand side, I'm actually running something I've got Claude to do beforehand. And I effectively just asked it one question. Let me just push this up and show you what I've asked. I want you to do a full SEO audit of my Shopify store. That's all I asked it. So what that means is Claude is going to go out there and do a full audit of your Shopify store and come back with all the recommendations. As you can see, it's off doing everything that it wants, and it's done a full SEO audit for my store Get Toast, and it's given me an entire summary. It's going to give me all the technical things that I need to do. I've already got some pretty good SEO, funnily enough, and it's going to give me the instructions on what to do, right? So it's telling me I need some sitemaps put in there. I've got a few issues that need to go in here. So it's going through and doing it for you. Now, usually we'd have to pay agencies to do this, or we'd have to pay SEO experts, or we'd have to be skilled to install apps, all those sorts of things. But now with Shopify AI Toolkit, it can actually do it for you. So that is still going and giving it to us. But the fact that it's done the audit for us is one thing. This is where it gets really crazy. We can now say to Claude, implement these changes for us. And it's going to go in and do it for you. Now, I don't want you to just go in and do it straight away because you should understand what's happening. We get AI to do 80% of the work and we as humans should be the 20%. So I want you to review it, validate it, do it one step at a time. Don't just say, fix my store, because who knows what it could do. It could pull it apart. And I have seen that happen. So use this as a way to audit, review your store for SEO. We could do it for updating images. We could do it for creating themes. We could basically do it for anything that you talk to a Shopify developer for. You can now use Claude to do it. Now, we've been doing some of this inside our Ecom Academy. We've been creating skills in here on creating product pages. We've been creating blogs. We've been doing everything directly inside here. And I created a video exactly how we're doing that. And you can find that video right here.